Add that. So wavy and pretty. Oh, with my hat back and forth. Yeah, y'all, I love it. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Haley, and today I will be getting a new wig installed. I'm gonna give y'all all the information about the wig. I'm gonna put everything in the description below, but this wig is a loose deep wave, and I think it's 24 inches, and it's very, very pretty. Look at all this. Jesus Christ. All right, y'all, so my hair is done, and this is some really pretty hair. I love it. I like the loose wave. This is my first time doing loose wave, and I like it. It reminds me of my real hair. I didn't scratch myself in the face. Ignore that, but yeah. Okay, y'all, this is so pretty. It does not look like a wig, like with lace. This lace from them is bomb. It's HD, 24-inch. Loose deep wave, 200 density. So you know about the 200%, that means that's the thickness of the wig. The higher the number, the thicker the wig. And this hair, it looks just like my hair. It's so, look at it, true to length. I feel like it's longer. It's very pretty though. At that, so wavy and pretty. I whip my hair back and forth. Yeah, y'all, I love it. So like I said, I'm gonna put everything in the description, so make sure y'all check them out. Make sure y'all follow them on all the social media. But I'm not done with the video. I'm about to show y'all everything that came with my wig. So in my bag, of course, it came in, oh, the camera didn't go. Jesus Christ. What the hell? Okay, y'all, so to end the video, I'm gonna show y'all everything it came with. First of all, it came in this pretty bag, silky bag, so that way when I take my wig off, I'll have somewhere to put it. Oh, I just love it. I'm about to tie it down. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay, it came with these caps, wig caps. It came with a band that you could sew on your wig, which I didn't need. I got the size small wig and it fits perfectly. I didn't even have to sew the back or nothing. It also came with this edge brush with the brush and the comb, which I need that. And in this little baggie is this to tie my edges down, which I am gonna be doing in a little while. Wow, this is great. I need it. Man, everything it came with, I needed all of this. And also this. This is really pretty. Okay. It's like another edge wrap. Just a pretty one. So if I want to tie my edges down and this match my outfit, I go ahead. But no, y'all, for real, I needed all of this stuff that it came with. Make sure y'all click the link in the description below, because I'm adding everything in the description about this wig, about this company. And make sure y'all shop with them. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. It also came with this. Period. Period. Because look at this. Baby, my eyes is bald. I needed these lashes. And then it's not one pair of lashes. It's a lot. 5. And they're pretty. They're different sizes. Oh my God. I love them all. Y'all know I got to put these lashes on today. So yes, make sure y'all follow them. Make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And more videos coming soon.